Hello ma'am, good day po. Ang napili ko pong company ay Agile Enterprise. And how to transfer the key challenge of model-driven development is transforming higher-level models into platform-specific models that can be used to generate implementation-level models. Transforming model into another model means as a visualize. Different method can be used to defining the transformation rules. Source model, transformation rules, target model. This is the classification of model of transformation approaches. The major points of variation in model transformation are transformation rules, application scoping, source target, relationship, role application, strategy, rule scheduling, rule organization, tracing, and directionality. They will be shortly described in the following paragraphs. For a full overview, use future diagram C, Sinarsi and Halcyon 2003. Following steps are needed for selecting the right MDA approach for a software development project. Step 1. Choose a way to present the PIM and PSM. This choice can be based on one of the MDA approaches presented by the OMJ. Example, make use of meta model to describe the language in which the PIM is defined. Step 2. Choose the desired characteristic for a model transformation from the classification presented in Part 1. Example, the model transformation should be bidirectional. Step 3. Choose a model transformation approach complying to the selected characteristic. This choice can be based one of the MBA approaches by the OMG. If step 1 already was based on an approach, the same approach should be chosen in this step. Example, the model transformation approach is based on the meta-model approach defined by the OMG. Step 4. Implement the model transformation language. Keep in mind the chosen characteristic in this step 2 and the general characteristics presented in part 3. Example, beside the general characteristic presented in part 3, the language also should support bidirectional usage. This can be done by making the rules bidirectional by defining rules pair. Rules for both directions being each other opposite. In a software engineer approach, it is important to define how different models and model transformations are combined to build a software artifact.